Hello friends, good evening. Today I am coming up with an interesting business case which I received from one of my friend on LinkedIn. Like the business challenge, we are purchasing one product. So I am going into product which I am purchasing from same vendor, but there are two separate preparation. One is I am directly purchasing this product from a vendor by releasing a purchase order, and then I also ask the same vendor to subcontract and deliver me the finished goods. But in Odoo, we have one single buy route which can trigger a purchase order directly based on the subcontracting type. So over here, I do have one same product and I am releasing those components if I am going to release a subcontracting order and I want to buy the same products in certain time. So I have just think how to get it with a trick. So what I have done, I have created one vendor, a Gujarat vendor, and then I have created two separate contacts. One is direct purchase, second one is subcontracting. It is just a contact. But based on this contact, now we play a tricky configuration. I am going into my product, finding the same product India 1, and in purchase, now you can see I have selected Gujarat vendor subcontracting as my vendor where subcontracting is already ticked and this is my price when I am buying from subcontract. And then same vendor with different contact, direct purchase. I don't have any subcontracting because in my bill of material, I have mentioned Gujarat vendor subcontracting. So this is a simple trick which can release us from customization. And then whenever we are creating any purchase order for that particular product, now what I have to do, I have to select the particular vendor and then I will buy my product. And I'm buying this time 5 units. I'm directly validating an invert. That's it. Now second time, I would like to definitely outsource my component and want this particular vendor to prepare this product. So whenever I'm choosing this vendor with subcontracting contact and confirm the order, it will trigger our subcontracting route where I am resupplying those particular materials at a first space and then I can receive my finished goods. So that's how the same vendor I can apply for both of my separate purchase condition, direct purchase or subcontracting purchase by just creating a separate contact inside my vendor list. Hope this trick will help many people to think out of the box and beyond what we can imagine and achieve this type of workflow. Now I can directly pay Gujarat vendor as a single vendor for all my bill, and I can also separate my purchase condition based on the contact and my buying route. If you have any such requirement or tricky things which you want to achieve in Odoo, let us know. Visit us at techvaria.com or my YouTube and LinkedIn channel. Thank you guys. Have a good day.